Right, everyone, guten Tag. I'm Jimbo on Discord. Well, Punish Rhodesian. I'm just quickly making this video to point out how to actually install the content, since a few people have come to me with issues. So, start off with server content. Download the workshop stuff first, so make sure you've got all of this bollocks here. Make sure you've got all of that. Once you have downloaded all of that bollocks, you see where it says Google Drive? Go to this, download it, and then it'll come up with this add-ons folder. If it does not come up with this, which is the add-ons folder with this little book shit, it's because you've not got WinRAR. If you've not got WinRAR, then you can't open it. If you have any problems, message me. I'll send you WinRAR and all that bollocks. I'll show you how it works. But if you've got WinRAR, which this is how you get it, just fucking Google WinRAR. There you go, simple as that. Downloads WinRAR, download that, and then you'll have access to it. Once you open it, you'll have all this shit here. Hang on. So, once you've got all the downloads done, you got a Garry's Mod. You right click it. You go to properties. You might start here. Go to local files. Go to browse local files. Go to Garry's Mod, sorry. Go to add-ons. And then all of this shit in this folder, right here, all of this shit, you take it and you paste it in here. And you don't put it in a single folder, you put it separately like this. Simple as fucking that. It's not hard. It's not difficult. You just do that. Once you've done that, get rid of all this shit. Go to Garry's Mod, start it up. Log into the server. If you have any problems, such as you can't, like you've got the light mapping or something like that, it's fucking broken. If you tell me, or if you go into the description of this video, it's not going to be in this fucking one, so you won't see it here. But if you go into the description of this video, there'll be a link that links to this right here. This content pack here, it will link right to it. If you download everything on this content pack, and there's quite a lot here, so it might take you a while. If you download all the shit on here, it'll fill in all of the gaps that you're missing content, and it will fix it for you, and then you'll be able to log onto the server and be able to see things normally. That's the extent of the content. If there's any issues past that, you'll have to ask someone how to fix it, which is, if you want to ask me, I'll try my best, but there's no fucking promises, like. But yeah, that's how you install the content. Hopefully it's not too bollocks for you and you can figure it out. Anyway, thank you very much.